you go away. All our time together just feels like yesterday. I never thought I'd see a single day without you. The things we take for granted, we can sometimes lose. And if I promise not to feel this pain, will I see you again? Will I see you again? 'Cause time will pass me by. Maybe I'll never learn to smile, but I know I'll make it through if you wait for me. And all the tears I cried, no matter how I try, they'll never bring you home to me. Won't you wait for me in heaven? Do you remember how it was when we never seemed to care? Days went by so quickly, 'cause I thought you'd always be there. And it's hard to let you go, though I know that I must try. I feel like I've been cheated, 'cause we never said goodbye. And if I promise not to feel this pain, will I see you again? Will I see you again? 'Cause time will pass me by. Maybe I'll never learn to smile, but I know I'll make it through if you wait for me. Won't you wait for me? And all the tears I cry, no matter how I try, will never bring you home to me. Won't you wait for me in heaven? Yeah. Cause I miss you so, and I need to know, will you wait for me? No, no, no. If you wait for me, say you wait for me. All the tears I cry, how I try, will never bring you home to me. Won't you wait for me? 'Cause time will pass me by. Maybe I'll never learn to smile, but I know I'll make it through if you wait for me.
Always been the shoulder I could cry on, always been the hand that I could hold. There's no place in this world that could feel like home without you. Even on the darkest nights, you were the brightest light. Hold me close and I just know I'll be alright. I love you, mama, my forever best friend till the very, very end. I love you, mama, and I need you to understand. No matter where I go, you will always be my home. I know you hate watching me go up, but you should know it hurts me just as much. 'Cause even if there comes a day that I'm miles and miles away, I still need you just to hear you say I love you. It's gonna It's gonna be okay. It breaks my heart 'cause everything is changing, but I'm still that little girl that ruined all of your makeup, the one you can't wait to see in a pretty white dress. So you and Dad, you did your best, so here I am because of you. Oh, I love you, Mama, my forever best friend to the very, very end. I love you, Mama, and I need you to understand. No matter where I go, you will always be my home. I know you hate watching me go up, but you should know it hurts me just as much. 'Cause even if there comes a day that I'm miles and miles away, I still need you just to hear you say I love you. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Miss your voice, miss your smile, everything about you worth the while. Always wondering where you are. I hope you're with us, near or far. Many questions unanswered, I guess we'll never know. But now you belong to heaven. It's empty without your smile. The truth brings us to tears.
tayo sa may ano.
Happy birthday to ya! Smile, Mama.
Buried in my soul, like California gold. Found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I want to feel better for the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Tingin natin, sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpakailanman.
She makes the old seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk of tomorrow. I can linger things that
Bakit ka naiyak? Dapat kaitis kayo. Surprise na surprise. Ang ganda pa ng gift namin sila. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Yeah. May charity dito. Oo, bibili namin yan. Jen, Gia. Oo nga. Doon na kayo. Ay, napuna. Hi, kami. Kakainis, lagi na lang surprise. Oy. Mama, na-surprise ka? Mama. Ma. Kala ko wala nang surprise eh. Smile. Ante. Happy Mother's Day. Wala pa eh. Kakain muna kami. Bakit ka naiyak? Dapat kaitis kayo. Surprise na surprise. Ang ganda pa ng gift namin sila. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Yeah. May charity dito. Oo, bibili namin yan. Jen, Gia. Oo nga. Doon na kayo. Ay, napuna. Hi, kami. Kakainis, lagi na lang surprise. Oy.
Hawakan mo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Ay, birthday. Wish ka muna. Ayaw niya. Ayaw mo siya ba?
Ayaw niya daw may camera.
Okay, thank you. Sige. Masakit? Si Mangot yarn. Talikod yarn. Masakit? Galit yarn? Ay, wawa aman. Sakit. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hoy! Next. Hoy! Tulalay siya, tulalay. Hoy! 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 We're here! Hey! Hey! Happy birthday, Mama! To me, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Mama.
Kumakanta ni si
Yay! Yay!
Blankies.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Oh my God.
Ayun na sila.
Ayan na isa. Asa na itang ina ni Hokita? Ayan. Si Abby Dizzy. Ayan si Joyce. Ayan si Joyce. Ang dati. Si Joyce.
Kaya mo siya. Darating din dito yan.
Ayan si Mami. Ayan si Mami. Hindi yan. Ito, iyan. Iya, ayun. Ayun si Mami, oh. Hindi mo nakita?
Ayun na sila. Ayun na sila, Angel. Ayun na sila, Angel. Ayun na sila, Angel. Jan! Ito naman yung sa amin!
Mama, iiyak.
Iiyak na yan!
Iiyak na yan!
Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na
Iiyak si Mama! Ano sabihin ni Mama kunyari? Para kayong mga tanga. Kabisado ko na yun, taon-taon na lang eh. Iya, umiyak si Mama.
Buksan mo na!
Joke lang yan, Mama. Unang talaga naman yan. Joke, Mama.
Maraming box yan bago yung
Bago
laman.
Puro box lang yan. Walang naman yan.
Cookie maker.
Ay!
Ayun na, taga!
Ayan na. Touch.
Top
Mama.
mama. Top mama.
Yee! Top.
Top
Yan!
mama.
Okay, wala yan, ma. Si Ryan.
Bili tayong barako.
Ayan na pala!
Hindi niya nahalata, di ba? Hindi niya nahalata.
Alam niya na yan. Sabi niya, alam ko na yan.
Ayan sa amin naman.
Iya.
Malaki to. Mas
Iya. Aircon yan na. Wala to kayo
Ilan mo yan.
Aircon yan.
Ilan mo yan. Bubuksan na yan. Ano iiyan? Ano iiyan? Yan, sira na yung ano.
Hihi!
Pamalit lang.
Oo.
May bago ka ng rice cooker.
Oo, sira na eh.
Daw eh.
Bibili na tayo ng bigas.
Thank you.
Gagamitin na natin yung ngayon.
Sain na tayo.
Sain na tayo.
Yes. Yes. Yan. Ang laki.
Yes!
Oo, malaki yan. 8
Malaki yan. Kasi gusto mo, di ba?
Oh,
Malaki.
Ma, 5-in-1 rice cooker pala yan, ma eh.
18 liters.
Pwede kang mag-steam na, ma. Dito, buksan.
Hindi, naka-tape muna. Tape.
Shabu-shabu.
Shabu-shabu. Mali ka ng big cash. Bumol ka.
Grabe, tinit pa.
Tinipan dun sa ano.
Stop ko na to. Bye ka na, Iya. Bye.
Bye.
Wait naman na.
Bye.
Mami, umiyak si mama.
Umiyak. Asan yung si mama?
Pinayak.
Iyakin. Iyakin.
Yung Sancho Bay.
Monkey ganyan.
Oo, dali na. Okay, sing na, Iya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama. Oh, Mama, mag-wish ka na. Ma-wish.
Wish. Happy birthday. Huwag mo na muna ayusin niya. Sige na,
Mag-wish ka na muna.
Mama, birthday cake mo yan eh.
Yeah, it's your birthday cake, Mama. And wish and then blow.
Blow.
And then you go
Dali
blow
na,
with
mother.
Mama,
Yung,
dali.
yung ano mo, napunta na yung mga ano.
Blow! Dali, blow with Mama. Dali, come on, blow.
Bigyan pa ako ng mahabang
Mahabang buhay. Mga 300 years.
1,000.
Ay, 1,000 years.
Yan.
Sana
Oo. Ano?
walang magkakasakit sa atin.
Ay, bato tayo nun.
Ano tayo niyan? Mga ano.
Wala. May sakit na kami lagi.
Ay na, yung apo ko sa tuhod.
Ay! O, na-blow na
Nagdalab
candle
naman
with
talaga.
Mama.
Teka.
Mama, birthday cake mo yan.
Oo.
Blow
Bubula
na
na ako.
Mama.
ah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Yay!
Ayaw matay. Ayaw matay.
Pumatay.
Ayun! Masaya ka ba? Sa surprise mo?
Laki surprise pa, di ba? Hindi ka na-surprise.
Bigyan tanong sa akin. Kung ano, may pinag...
Boston Bay. 50 by
Buksi na.
Huwag dyan, dito sa taas. Ano ba yan naman sa baba?
Continue. Buksi na. Yeah.
Sirain mo.
Sige.
Hindi na masusundan niya pag dito sa tira.
Okay. Yan na bili na. Hindi na pwede ba?
Hello, baka ano naman talaga yun, ma. Ito lang yan kahon. Tulo lang yan kahon. Walang laman yan.
Okay, buksi.
Baka bawal, puro kahon lang yan.
Okay.
Maliit.
Tapos tao pala laman yan mo. Surprise!
Alala ko yung putay na. Dito puro kahon, yung pala.
Kahon lang.
Ano palagay niyo sa amin? Maliit. Ano palagay niyo sa amin? Wala mga pera? Char!
Okay. Yan na. Yan na.
Ano? Masaya ka ba? Masaya?
Yan na. Yan na. Sige, ano natin, para makuha natin.
Ang pinakamayaman mong anak.
Ganyan.
Hindi nagpakabot. Tara. Taray, happy Mother's Day, Mother.
Yes, Mother's Day siya.
Tatatalon talaga si Mother. Oo, ang puso mo. Ang puso mo, ma. Baka atakain ka.
Lagi naman yan magluluto. Wala na bang question doon.
At tarong, ano lutuin? Okay, sa kabila naman. Kabila.
Wala naman, dyan.
Last na lang. Taso, konti. Pinahirapan ako nito.
Balon nito.
Kumyate.
Okay.
Oh, angat na.
Angat.
Hindi pa maangat. Angat.
Meron pa.
Siyempre ka. Ayaw pa kawalan ni Uncle.
Ayaw pa.
Yan na. Angat na.
Ayan. Okay. Meron pa?
Ayan na.
Sarap mo, ma. Nak. Mayaman ka na
Yay.
talaga. Pang mayaman na talaga eh. Oh.
Masaya ka ba, Mama? Message mo na. Thank you. Oy! Yakin! Masaya?
Akala ko dryer.
Akala ko automatic na washing machine.
Masaya ba, Mama? Masaya?
Dryer. Taray. Ano yan? May umigas pa din.
Matigas pa rin tas kuryente.
Yes.
Kuryente yung igniter lang.
Oo.
Okay.
Alin?
Ay, open na kami. Makapagluto na kami